Hi guys, today I made Puzzle Box 2.0. So it's a 10 by 10 plate. Yeah, a 10 by 10 plate as the bottom, as the base. And then build up as high as you want with these 2 by 2 plates, all are 2 by 2 bricks all around. And leave a big space open for this. I don't want to show you the mechanics yet. So basically, and let me just take off the rope so distract you guys and stuff. Oh yeah, you guys have to put on tiles. I mean, you guys have to put on plates when you're done building. All of that stuff. So, all this is gonna be filled up with tiles. There could be a little like some of these, but it's okay. Yeah. In one of the spots, you're gonna build this. It's 1 by 4, a 1 by 4, and a 1 by 2 on top. A 1 by 5, I couldn't find one of those. A 1 by 2, a 2 by 2 right here, I couldn't find one of those. A 1 by 2, a 1 by 4, and a 2 by 4, and makes this. And so this part is a 2 by 4, a 1 by 2, and this. Put this all back together because I had to break it so I could show you guys. And then wherever you make your thing, you're gonna be making this one part on the bottom. So it's this. It has this little hole in so that this can slide in to place. So it's 2 6 by 4s, and then it's this, which is a 6 by 6, 2 by 4s, I couldn't find them, and then a 2 by 4 right here. Then put the base on just like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put this right here, build as tall as this guy, and make sure to put on the plates, and then just build as tall but with ones, like 1 by 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 6, 1 by 4, all of those bricks, no plates. Okay, you can make like these like little 3-strip thingies, and it's gonna be as big. Make sure the front looks very cool, and like the plate thingies. And then all you do is you build that, and it should look like this if yours is like mine. Mine is about Mine is 5 layers tall. Okay, why we have this piece and why we have the hole. If you didn't make the hole, then a bummer for you, cause you see that hole right there? If you didn't make it, then you did it all wrong. You know why? Because just watch this clock piece. It makes it more obvious to see where this goes. When you slide this in, like this, it slides into the hole. You see the clock piece? That's the part of the tile, and it slid in. And then you see this? It's finishing touch. Makes sure everything. It's the same thing, a 10 by 10 base plate. I just like this kind of style for the roof. It's a 10 by 10 what? I forgot, actually. I just a 10 by 10 plate, not base plate. And put that on right there. And here's how this puzzle box works. Oh, you know what I like about this puzzle box? The things exactly align the bricks, so it makes it look like more realistic. What I don't like is the tiles. Like they have these little things, you see them? Like they go kind of like, makes it more obvious. And then here's how you see it. So you see this little part, the line part. You will slide this out. It unlocks it, but it's still not gonna get out, right? So what you do, turn it upside down, then push it right here, push it in right here, and then just start. And it might take a while, but plus box. Don't buy no this dumb boy. Okay. Subscribe to Ria Daria, Flame Gamer 101, The Lightning Dark, and I deleted a video, but that's okay. It's The Lightning Dark Gaming. Put in AADI's Adventures. That's the channel I really want you to go to. I'm not gonna say subscribe to Flamer Gamer 101, and that's because what is it again? He deleted all his videos because he got tired of his channel. I get tired of my channel. Yeah. We done so here. What's on this? Okay, this isn't the tricky part. The tricky part is they would think I'd be doing this, which I think I don't like doing that. Like the tricky part is, like I don't recommend using this part, but you can't use this part like this. So I think the hardest part is they don't think they will. I don't think they'll flip it over and just put it in the end. What's so hard about this? There we go. Remember to put all tiles on top, or else this thing will slide. Be stuck in it. And then you'll be like, and I don't want you guys to break it because this took me a really long time to build. I don't actually like the, what is it called? The Puzzle Box one. It's not because of it, like, it's so easy. It's because, like, I like storing a lot of stuff in there. It just kind of breaks it. You know, like the mechanic, take that off, and you have to take that off, and you have to do that. And it breaks a lot of times. And I still remember you, cool little brick builder, first fan. Oh yeah, I changed my name again because I'm not into Blue and City Battles. I'm mostly into, yeah, other stuff. But I like doing my Lego before. My Lego creations. Oh yeah, when I started doing my YouTube channel again, I realized I've actually improved a lot. I mean, like, I usually come up with anything with the puzzle box, Lego Gun 4.0, and Puzzle Box 1.0, and Puzzle Box 2.0. I mean, like, those are 4 creations in, like, 4 days. I've been making, like, a creation in a day, and it's, like, awesome. So it's, like, but I'm running out of Lego, so I'm gonna have to be breaking more stuff. Like, seriously, I do not want to break my stuff, but I have to break my stuff. But I don't want to break my stuff, but I have to break my stuff. You know what I mean? I still remember Lego Gun 1 video. It was so poopy. I mean, like, oh, and I still have that camera. I don't like using it anymore. I don't know what to do. I like spending the whole 15 minutes because that's how much I can do. And I ain't doing a verification because my dad's gonna be like, hey, why you do that? And I'm gonna be like, why you're alive? And I don't want that to happen. And if, these adventures, if you're still watching my videos, hi, do you think my Lego thingies have improved? I'm not gonna be changing my name because I like my name because most of my channel is actually Legos. I used to not like Lego for now, so okay, let's make a new Lego creation. What I do is I look on the web for Lego things, and they just give me ideas, and then I just start making that moolah. It's really awesome. You know what's not good? Cause if like I don't like this like because you can be like and it's flying out. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. Like I'm gonna have to get something in those pieces, and then I'm gonna have to go into pieces. Then I'm gonna somehow make something that lock them, so that you can't just shake them out. So that you have to do the upside down thingy, so that you can just. I don't use this as a lever, that thing. I recommend just pressing on it like this. It works very better. I have to do something about that. What do I do? What do I do? Whatever. I'll tell you that in the next video. Something I need to tell you before I go. Lego 4.0 is gonna be the video that is coming there. Bye-bye.